Hi everyone, so welcome to my first ever video. Ako dahil si Christopher Abeliana Quezon, and yeah, this is my first ever taken film because I wanted to start a vlog. So mag-vlogger na ta. So I am informing everyone right now nga vlogger na ko for today's video. Officially this day I am a vlogger now, and I am going to do vlog daily. Joke lang. Joke lang. So anyway, yeah. Kidding aside, I really wanted to start a vlog. That's why I'm filming right now, and I'm trying to be a vlogger. But nevertheless, I don't know what to content, and what should I do and whatever. So here's the thing. I just wanna ask you guys. So sorry, nag-in-English ang buwang. So yeah, I officially inform everyone no nga mag-vlog na ko. So sa akong friends out there, my enemies, my family, I want you guys to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then hit the bell button so that you guys would be able to notify if ever may mga videos ako na i-upload. Vlogger yan. So, yun nga, magbablog na tayo. So, I decided to vlog kasi nga I don't have my work na. I'm here in Manila right now, and yeah, I've been working before, but right now wala na because I'm applying abroad, and then I'm waiting for yun na lang, waiting ako. So nakatengga ako ngayon, and I do nothing at all. I just stay at home. I mean at my boarding house here in Makati, and then wala ako'y work. I really don't have nothing to do. Like, hindi naman din ako makakagala kasi wala din akong pera, and hindi din ako like wala akong friends here in Manila. So I I just stay at home 24/7. So yun, I'm getting bored and I don't know what to do. So that's why I came to realize, wow. So yun, naisipan ko na lang na why not try to vlog myself, and to vlog here in Manila, to do vlog here in Manila while waiting for my application abroad. 'Di ba, para di naman masayang yung yung time ko, and yun. Well, anyway, so sa tanang wala na kailan ako no, my name is Christopher Abeliana Quezon. I am 24 years old, and I am a college graduate. I just do I'll never mind suckers ko because it's really whatever. So yun, I'm a college graduate. I graduated last 2019. So 2019, 2020, 21, 2, 3. It's already 4 years now, and then wala pa din akong narating sa buhay. I don't even have a stable job, and wala good ko, as in wala pa ko. I have nothing but myself, yun, and of course my family who always there to support me. They're sila yung nagbumubuhay sa akin for the meantime. But yeah, so yun, napag-isipan ko na yun na lang, guys. I wanted to ask for your help. So I really need your help, guys, starting a vlog. So I just want you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and then also hit the notification bell so that whatever things that I will be uploading in the future, or sooner, you will be notified. And then yun, so napag-isipan ko that since wala akong maisip na content for this video, I just want you guys to think for a thing, or for, yeah, for a thing na pwede nating i-content, and then I want you guys to challenge me. Wow. So this would be a challenge content na like parang i-challenge nyo lang ako to do these things, ito na gawin ko tong bagay na ito, mga ganong bagay lang. So I just you will be the challenger. You will be the I will be the ano the subject, of course. Kay ako maning vlog di man inyo. So yun, i-challenge ko ninyo, and yung ano lang, yung mga legal lang din na mga things. Hindi, ayaw natin yung mga, syempre, mga pinagbabawal na bagay na syempre, 'di ba? So, kung anong makakaya, so I will be selecting the, yun, pipili ako i-English pa. Pipili ako ng mga comment nyo or mga bagay na gagawin ko. So it would be always my discretion which one to do. Kasi nga vlog ko to noon. So so yun, I just want you guys to what we call this one, to suggest, and then comment down below kung ano yung mga naiisip niyo na pwede natin gawin, and yun gagawin natin dito sa Manila. So if like for example, you want me to wow, ako paano, so whatever you have in your mind, so pwede na yan. Yun parang ano lang, yung mga easy lang na mga challenges na pwede natin gawin. So yun, I hope this will be my ang vlogger ang buang radyo podcast. So, I think that would be all. Salamat guys sa paglantaw guys. Basta comment lang mo, and sooner you will know yeah, something about me. You're knowing something na about me, my name, my age, and I am a college graduate. So that's a background of mine, and then in the future, sooner or later, I will be sharing everything about myself. So ngayon, konti lang muna kasi syempre hindi pa naman tayo vlogger yan, buisit. So, bye guys. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. The bell. Notification bell. Okay, bye guys.